Right guys, just a very quick video. I've added two more videos to the membership area. One about CPA direct linking offers. You can find that one here under high converting direct link offers. And I've added another traffic source with tips on how to find high converting offers, where to do your homework, and these will be self-funding campaigns. So if you're on short of, if you haven't got much cash flow, they're really good for that. High quality traffic, but I'll show you how to do all your homework first. Very important. I mentioned this in several videos about doing your homework. It can save you a ton of money and it can get you the conversions a lot quicker, okay, without wasting your budget. And the good thing about this traffic network is you can keep self-funding, okay, so you don't have to keep pulling funds out your bank account. So get stuck into the CPA direct linking offers and the new traffic source that I've added. You find the traffic source under here, okay, yeah, it's this one here. Also the network, the direct linking network, this one here, you can actually provide you with landing pages as that are already translated. Okay, so you don't have to worry about getting anything translated, hence the direct linking. But they do, some offers have the option of adding a landing page, and all you have to do is select what landing page you want, and select the language you want it in, and everything is done for you. So I highly recommend this network. It's got some fantastic offers. You find a lot of the offers on Monetizer as well. I also show you where to keep up to date on what is converting today. Okay, this is direct from the network managers, and in fact I've just got a notification in now, so I'll show you how to get all that. So try these out. If you get stuck with anything, just reach out. If you need any pointers, just contact me in the group or through Facebook. If you're not a member, just click the button below and get signed up. If you've let your membership lapse, just log into your account and click on renew membership, okay, and you won't have to wait for all your modules to be unlocked again. It'll just be as when you left it, okay. So whatever modules were unlocked before, they'll still be unlocked if you renew. All right, so enjoy your training, and if there's any more training you want to see, just let me know.